So today I'll be showing you how to make fake video call avatarify using Splitcam. So Splitcam is the application we'll be making use to overlay to places like WhatsApp, Telegram, and the rest. So let's install Splitcam. I just want to show you a simple installation guide, and the link to download Splitcam will be in description. So I do disable the media foundation frame server. Sometimes it do give me issues. That's the major reason I'm disabling it. You can leave yours if you want. So let's just leave the other settings as default and install. So after the installation, Splitcam is going to pop up and open by itself. So let's cancel it first. So let's search Anaconda Prompt. This is to start up the application. So we're going to write cd avatarify-python. No, I mean dash, not equal to. So let's dash python. The commands are going to be in the description. So after that, you hit enter, then you write run windows.bat. This is going to start up the application. It's going to load for some time, and it's going to bring out the cam window. This is the cam window. In your own case, you need to make sure that it's well lit and well lit. So you click on the cam window, and when you click on the cam window, then you press X. When you press X on your keyboard, it's going to bring out the avatarify window, which contains the avatar itself. So in my case, it's showing no face detected because of my face is not in the red box and it's not well lit. You understand? In your case, you should make sure that it's in the cam window and it's well lit. So next thing we are going to do is let's open Splitcam. That's our overlaying application. Since I'm just showing a sample on how to use, so I won't bother about arranging my face and all. So you click on the media layer, you click on the plus sign, and you will see share display. After the share display, you're going to click on share windows, and after that you're going to see the avatarify, and you select that. You can adjust this avatarify window on Splitcam anyhow you want, and anything that shows here is what's going to show on the application you're trying to make use of for your prank call. You understand? So it's quite easy, and so you adjust it best as you want it. You understand? So after you have done that, I'm trying to click on when you click on the avatarify window, I want to show you something like this, and you click on the avatarify window. When you press X on your keyboard, it's going to recalibrate it. Not see what has happened there. It's me clicking on the avatarify window. After that, you press X on your keyboard. It's going to recalibrate the avatar face. So let's leave it at that and go to let me say WhatsApp, for example. So we go to settings, we go to video and voices, and the video you select the Splitcam video driver instead of your normal HD cam. So that's what's going to overlay it to the application you're trying to make use of. So let's do the same for Telegram. I'm just trying to show you that it's the same process for all applications. You go to the settings and you're going to see the video the let's accept that the video, the camera input device. So currently it's at default, but it's working. But no, that's not what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be at Splitcam. So you're supposed to select the Splitcam driver. So that's what's going to happen. You understand? That's how easy it is. So run. So you make sure your face is well placed in the cam, well lit. That means you have light on your face, ring light or anything, and you're going to have a perfect picture.